Yeah! Yeah! Crazies are out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got another ride and review for you today. I'm heading to an Indian restaurant called GUPSHUP. Meeting up with a couple of friends that I met over the years through Instagram, food posting. This place is really, really good. I've been here a couple times before. They have a burger that they offer on the brunch menu. It's a double patty, but it's a lamb smash burger. I love that burger. I'll show you some video of it now and some pictures as we're riding. That thing is great. If you can get over there when they offer that on the lunch menu, and I think brunch on the weekends, that is a must. It comes with tikka masala fries. They are like seasoned, Indian seasoned with masala spice. Really great. They also do like large format shared meat platters. I did this one once with a buddy of mine. It was like a lamb shoulder, slow cooked, hours and hours, fall apart, delicious meat. And then they served it with like lamb tacos. And I can't remember if it was naan bread or like paratha, one of those really nice Indian breads. And man, that was so good. I got some footage and pictures of that too I could show you. They have something new like that on the menu now for winter. Definitely interested in trying that. It looks like it's called the Sizzler. And from what I understand, it comes out on like a cast iron pan, sizzling. So we gotta give that a try. And this place is up by Union Square, so I'm cutting across Houston. I'm just gonna take this right on Lafayette and rip up, and it should be a right on 18th. It's a quick ride, so it's gonna be nighttime by the time I finish. So like I've usually been doing, I'm gonna just give you the ride there, and then you guys can just jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review. That'll actually work out better too, because you could see the review of the burger from the last time I was there. Tell me what you think. Give me some of your suggestions on Indian food. I'm always looking for good Indian food. There's a really good spot down by us, me and the cake dealer, called Dhamaka. Another place that's very tough to get a reservation lately. I think they got a Michelin star or something like that. It just blew them up. I thought I was going to be able to split them trucks, but it started moving. It's a little gloomy. The forecast said it was supposed to be sunny today. Never know what to believe these days. this is 14th. It's just a right on 18th, and then I think it's like right there on the left. It's near a lot of cool spots, like old bars, like Old Town and Peaks Tavern. It's right near all those, couple of the oldest bars in the city. This place also has really nice cocktails. They do a great job with some innovative cocktails with the Indian twist. All right, here's the turn. There it is. I see it. They got that big, nice outdoor dining space with the flowers all over it. All right. So this is it. I'll see you guys on the inside. Wow.
So everyone gets a lamb chop. There's 4 chops in the platters. And he's got like the and he's got the super light. I'll be in Mesa. It's just involvement as the night goes on. Spinach. Wow, that smells so good. That garlic. Wow. Is this the Six Flags song?
The white one is the